Want to promote your latest products on television? ATV's 2015 Ad Easy Super Package is the right choice for you. Our price starts and our promotion coverage reaches as far as the Pearl River Delta region and southern China. Call us now for more details.
Good evening, I'm Emily Su with tonight's financial report. Local shares rebounded today after plunging yesterday. The Hang Seng Index closed at 23,951 points, a gain of 212. Shares advanced after mainland regulators denied that they were trying to suppress a market rally. Investors also took heart that China's fourth quarter economic performance was not as bad as had been expected. Let's take a look at today's figures. Ping An gained $2.40, China Life gained $1.25, Bank of China up 11 cents. CCB up 11 cents, Haitong gained $1.28, ICBC up 13 cents, Tencent gained $1.10. Now let's take a look at Hong Kong dollar exchange rates. It's 7.75 to the US dollar, 11.75 to the pound, 6.54 to 100 Japanese yen, 9 to the euro, and 100 Hong Kong dollars gives you around 80 renminbi. Over in Europe, the London FTSE is trading 37 points higher. London gold is trading at $1,292 an ounce. And over in Frankfurt, the DAX is trading almost flat. In Paris, the CAC is trading 39 points higher. Don't go away. Join us for the main news after the break.
Coming up, main news and weather report. All about history. 33 miners. Trapped 700 meters underground. 69 days of utmost rescue. Self-interest and greed exposed, but the power of the human spirit finally makes miracles happen. The Chile 33, tonight at 10. Soccer Fever, HKFA League Cup, broadcast only on ATV. Wong Tai Sin versus Wofu Taipo, Wednesday late night at 1:30, broadcast on Home.
Share the message of love. Lead you to a new journey of joy. Open your heart to discover the real meaning of life. Leading the Way, Sunday morning at 11.
Culture Checkpoint. Reforms are paving the way for the transition.
The other problem is the trust building. This conflict has been going on for 60 years.
There are some steps, like going towards a democracy.
What's the future of the new Myanmar? The new Myanmar, tonight at 8:30. Want to promote your latest products on television? ATV's 2015 Ad Easy Super Package is the right choice for you. Our price starts and our promotion coverage reaches as far as the Pearl River Delta region and southern China. Call us now for more details.